Welcome to our podcast, where we delve into a significant cybersecurity event that recently impacted businesses across the globe. In July 2024, a routine update from CrowdStrike unexpectedly triggered a widespread system failure, leading to major disruptions. This incident highlighted the vulnerabilities that exist in our interconnected digital world and the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures. At Alice Technology, we were able to respond rapidly, restoring thousands of affected systems within a matter of hours. Our approach to cybersecurity is rooted in proactive strategies, including continuous monitoring and rapid threat detection. This allowed us to minimize downtime and protect our clients' operations effectively. As our CEO, Shaif Sadek, wisely noted, the true test of resilience is not just in preventing breaches, but in how swiftly and effectively you can recover from them. For more insights into how we managed this crisis and how you can safeguard your own business from future threats, be sure to read the full article on our website. And remember to add us to your Spotify playlist to stay up to date with the latest in IT security.